And I think right now it's a little clearer. Okay, I'm gonna see if I get a better filter. I don't know if we got a pile up. Let me wake up my amplifier. Right here. Oh shit. I got about 800 watts. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna put a little more power into it. Oh god. Oh my god, that noise is just some freaking noise that's coming out of somewhere. I don't know if it's generated locally, generated atmospherically, or neighborhood. I don't know. Well, I was hoping to make another contact with a guy in New Zealand. Well, I was hoping to make another contact and put it in the video with a station in New Zealand. But California was on top of him, like flying shit, and it was already like almost 1 o'clock in the morning. So I try a few calls, and I wasn't getting. I'm not gonna get through. California was out there very active, and I'm not gonna get over those guys. So anyway, it's almost 1 o'clock in the morning. I was hoping to make another call. I can. There's another guy from I believe Greece, and another guy from Georgia, another station from Georgia. But I cannot hear him at all, even with the beam down that way. I just cannot hear him. So anyway, I'm gonna call it quits. Good night, guys. I'm out of here.